Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to control who can tag you on TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Locate the profile icon at the bottom drawer of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of the profile page, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions section. Tap on Mentions and Tags. Step 7. Here, you'll find the Tags option. Tap on it. Step 8. To allow only the people you follow to tag you, select People You Follow. That's it. You've successfully set your TikTok account to allow only followers that you follow back to tag you in their TikTok videos. Taking control of who can tag you adds an extra layer of privacy and ensures a safer TikTok experience. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching.